this video, we'll be seeing how to make a paper Dandiya doll. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first, for this activity, we only need a circle. So the first step is that we're supposed to fold the circle in half like this. Step number 2 is that we're supposed to fold the circle in half one more time. So after we complete this, I'm just taking a glue bottle and I'm applying some glue on the top part of the circle. So now I'm just going to be spreading this glue all along the paper, but the glue should not be spread at the bottom part, because if you spread it on the bottom part, it won't be as good as it should be. So after we complete this, I'm just sticking this part together. So we have to give it some time to dry. So after we complete this, I'm opening this part and we'll have two big parts like this. So now we have to be making 5 more parts like this in the same way. So in total we'll have 6 parts. So now I'm just repeating the same steps. So I'm applying some glue on the top part of the paper like this. And I'm going to be sticking 3 pieces of paper together. So I'm just sticking these 2 pieces together and I'm applying some glue on top of this part, and I'm sticking the other part on top of it as well. So now we'll have a set of 3 in one bunch like this. So if we open it, we'll have a semicircle like structure. It will be like a half semicircle flower. So now I'm just going to be sticking the other 3 parts together, so that now we'll get another 3 set of semicircle flowers. So we should not stick these 2 parts together. They should be like how they are. And now just have to stick on it well so that they stick well. So now I'm opening this, and we'll have another flower like this. So now I'm keeping this aside, and I cut out a circle which is in pink in color, and I also cut out a yellow circle. So the step that we are going to be doing now is that I'm applying some glue on this pink part over here, and I'm spreading it, and I'm going to be sticking this yellow part onto it. So I'm sticking it like this. So now I'm taking a pencil and I'm just going to be drawing a little bit lines on the top of the pink part, which will represent like hair. And I'm just going to be drawing 2 eyes on the Dandiya doll. So you can use your own creativity to draw the eyes. I'm just going to be making it simple. So I'm just drawing 2 oval-like structures and I'm coloring it in. And I'm drawing 2 lines on top of the eyes. And I'm just drawing 3 more lines on top of the line that we draw. And I'm drawing a circle for the nose, and I'm just going to be drawing a curved line for the smile. And I'm going to be drawing 2 lines on both sides of the smile to make her look happy. So now our face for the Dandiya doll is ready. So I'm just going to be keeping this aside again, and I'm going to be taking a pink rectangular strip of paper. So now I'm just going to be drawing the body of the Dandiya doll. So I'm just drawing 2 lines on the paper, and I'm drawing 2 lines in this side as well, and I'm drawing 2 lines on the opposite side as well. So after we complete this, I'm just drawing 1 curved line on the top to connect this. So now we'll have a structure like this. So the next step is that I'm going to be taking a scissor and I'm going to be cutting this part out. So we have to do this slowly, and we have to cut on the lines, because if you cut past the lines, then the shape will not be good as it should be. So we have to cut it slowly. So be careful while using a scissor, because you might cut your fingers. So it should always be safe that if you keep a palette next to you while using a scissor. So I'm cutting it like this. So you can use any color you like for the body. I'm just going to be using pink because the Dandiya doll will be looking good with the pink color. So now our body is ready. So the next step I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be taking 2 rectangular strips like this, and I'm just going to be rolling these strips like this. So I'm just rolling it and I'm applying some glue onto the paper at the bottom part, and I'm just going to be sticking this onto here. So after we complete this, I'm just cutting out the corner parts of the paper like this. So now we have to make another structure like this in the same way. So I'm taking another paper and I'm rolling it. So now I'm applying some glue at the bottom part of the paper and I'm sticking this. So after we complete this, I'm just taking a scissor and I'm cutting this part out. So now we'll have two structures like this. So the next step is that we're supposed to be taking the face part that we did before, and we have to stick this onto the back part of this structure that we made. So I'm applying some glue at the bottom part of this face. So we have to do this slowly, and I'm sticking this onto the back part of the body. So you can stick it onto the front part as well, but it will be looking more good at the back part. So now our front body part is ready. So the next step is that I'm just taking this part and I'm lifting it up, and I'm applying some glue at the top part here. So after we apply some glue, I'm just going to be sticking the green part that we made onto it. So I'm just taking this part on top of it like this. So we have to repeat the same step. So I'm taking the other green part that we made and I'm lifting this paper and applying some glue and I'm sticking this. So the next step is that we have to apply some glue onto the center part of this paper that we made here. So now I'm going to be sticking this part on top of it. So now we'll be having a structure like this. So the next step is that we're supposed to be taking two structures like this that we made before. So I'm opening it like this and I'm applying some glue onto the back part of the paper slowly. So we have to apply some glue here. So after we apply some glue, I'm just going to be sticking this part to it. I'm opening it and I'm sticking this onto this part. So now I'm turning this paper to the opposite side and I'm applying some glue onto the back part of this again. So we have to apply glue slowly. So now I'm taking the other part that we cut out and I'm sticking this onto the back part. Like this. So we have to stick it on both the sides. So after we complete it, our paper Dandiya doll will be ready. So this is a very easy way of making a paper Dandiya doll and it is useful too. So you can use this as a home decor for Navaratri. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Practicals. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll get notification whenever I upload a video. Bye!